Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scathing attack at Rahul Gandhi. He has in fact criticized the Gandhi Scion during a rally in Maharashtra's Nanded. This attack is in particularly related to Rahul Gandhi contesting from Wayanad, that shall be going to polls on the 26th of April. That is the second phase of polling. Prime Minister Modi has insinuated that Rahul Gandhi might leave Wayanad this time around, as he did Amethi back in 2019 when he lost to Smriti Irani. Gandhi meanwhile has been fielded by the Congress from Wayanad yet again. Meanwhile, he is in fact set to face off against his CPIM ally Annie Raja. PM Modi meanwhile has also questioned the INDIA bloc about their leader post-elections, accusing the Congress of accepting a defeat prematurely. Let's listen into what the PM has said.
कांग्रेस के युवराज उत्तर से भाग करके दक्षिण में आश्रय लिया, उन्होंने वायनाड में निकल गए। इस बार उनकी हालत ये है कि वो इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि जैसे ही 26 तारीख को वायनाड का पोलिंग हो जाएगा, वे किसी और सीट की घोषणा उनके लिए होगी। वो दूसरी सीट की तलाश में है। ये पक्का लिख के रखिए मेरे शब्द। और मैंने एक बार घोषणा की थी पार्लियामेंट में कि उनके बड़े बड़े नेता अब लोकसभा लड़ने वाले नहीं है, वो राज्यसभा में जाएंगे। और मेरे कहने के 1 महीने के बाद उनके सबसे बड़े नेता को राज्यसभा से आना पड़ा, लोकसभा छोड़ देनी पड़ी। तो ये पराजय पहले से स्वीकार कर लिया है जी।
All right, there of course we've heard Prime Minister Modi. He was in fact referring to Sonia Gandhi and her decision to in fact be elected to the Rajya Sabha this time around in particular. Mehendi, my colleague, joins us on the broadcast with further details on this. The war of words between the BJP and the Congress continuing, and Prime Minister Modi now mounting an attack against Rahul Gandhi.
Well, yes, Priya, a war of words has started between the Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress, and in which Narendra Modi has taken a swipe at Congress MP Rahul Gandhi at a campaign rally, saying after Amethi, Congress Shehzada will have to run away from Wayanad as well. The PM was in Maharashtra and Karnataka to campaign for BJP and NDA candidates when he made this statement. If we talk about the statement that has been given by Prime Minister, in that he has said that, and I quote unquote, Shehzada is facing a difficult situation in Wayanad. Shehzada and his gang are waiting for polling on April 26 to get over so that they can find another safe seat for him. Their own alliance partners are abusing the Shehzada in Wayanad, and they are using such abusive language against him, which even I have not used against him. So, not only Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister has also attacked in the alliance in his statement, and he mentioned that surveys have indicated a favourable voting pattern for NDA in the first phase of Lok Sabha elections held Friday, and dismissed India bloc as unable to pose a challenge ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha elections and in front of Bharatiya Janata Party. Modi has also highlighted the internal conflicts within the opposition alliance, stating that some India bloc politicians are not actively campaigning for the candidates, in which he has said that there are 25% seats where the alliance is facing infighting and even talking about putting their partners in prison. So this has been said by Prime Minister, and he also criticized Maha Vikas Aghadi alliance in Maharashtra, accusing Congress and the fake Shiv Sena of neglecting sadhus killed in Palghar situation. So this has been a war of words that has started between Prime Minister Modi, and he has made some serious allegations and called Rahul Gandhi as Shehzada, and about the Wayanad seat, he has made very big statements. Over to you, Pia.
All right, Mehendi. With that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.